So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find someone on Zangi. So first off, you can't really publicly search for someone on Zangi Messenger. That's because the app doesn't really feature a global user directory. So if you want to find and connect with somebody, you will have to get their exact 10-digit Zangi private number. So I'm just going to show you how that looks. Now, in order to find people, you will need to share with them this private number. So it's 10 digits always, and you can search that private number or add people from your contact list or some other ways that you can send this private number to someone or they can send it to you, so you can start chatting on Zangi. So this is because Zangi really values your privacy, and they made sure that people need to know each other beforehand or have a way of communication that preceded Zangi, so they can share their 10-digit numbers with each other. So you need to really send that person either your 10-digit number by clicking on share and sending them a couple different ways, from messaging apps to email, or just sending a text message, or you can receive that 10-digit number so you can add a person on your specific Zangi account. But that's the only way that you can find someone on Zangi. You need to have their 10-digit number somewhere. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Zangi or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.